In this video, we're going to review how to add and subtract in scientific notation. First of all, the process is the same for adding and subtracting. Whether or not you have addition or subtraction just lets you know what you're going to do with the bases at the end. Are you going to add them or are you going to subtract those numbers? Okay? Make sure that you get your decimals lined up when you do so. All right, let's look at the first example. I have 2.1 times 10 to the fourth. So I like to write these out one above the other. The other one is 3.5 times 10 to the third. Okay, and I'm going to be adding those together. In order to do this, the powers of 10 have to be the same. In other words, the exponents have to be identical. What you always do is you find the smallest exponent, so in this case it's the 3, and you add to it what you need to make it equal to the one above. So I'm going to be adding 1. Now I've got to do something to the decimal in the 3.5 to make sure that I keep it balanced. Since I added a power of 10 to the exponent, I need to take it away in the base of 3.5. So taking it away means move it to the left. Not sure if that showed. Okay, so now my power of 10 is going to be 10 to the fourth because they're both to the fourth. To get my base, I need to think what's the 2.1 and its addition. The decimal's now in front of the 3, so it's plus 0.35. So I do that addition and I get 2.45. So now that becomes my final answer. It's 2.45 times 10 to the fourth. All right, I'm going to work the second example in a different color. I have 3.7 times 10 to the negative fifth. I'm going to add to that 0.00024. I need to put that in scientific notation. So my base is going to be 2.4, and it's going to be times 10. It's going to be negative because it's less than 1, and I look to see how many times did I move that decimal. I moved it 4 times. All right, now I do repeat the process from above. I'm going to find my smallest exponent, which is negative 5. I'm going to add to it what I need to make it equal to negative 4, which would be just add 1. I'm going to take the exponent in the 3.7. Since I added 1 to the exponent, I've got to take 1 decimal away. It's always the same amount. So now I realign those decimals. It's now 0.37 added to 2.4. And now I add them together and I get 7, bring down my decimal and I get a 2. And then I keep my power of 10, which is 10 to the negative fourth on both of them. So my final answer is 2.77 times 10 to the negative fourth.